this is a resort view swimmer, room 112. I'm not going to go through the full detail view on this one, so tune in. I've got about 4 or 5 other videos of the rooms, so you can see that. But you can see there is a double vanity, a rainfall shower head, as well as the shaving ledge, and there's a hairdryer over there. There's a scale, of course, slippers. The shower and the bathroom area and the toilet area can be private. You can shut those shutters if you want, or you can keep them open if you want a bit more light in the room. Nice ceiling fan, USB ports on each side. But the main thing I want to show you here is the layout of the room, and also this amazing view. And it shows you how well the room is soundproofed, because I didn't realize, but there was a live guitarist singing outside. He was really good, but I don't have the rights to play his music, so this is a little voiceover. So this is the balcony of the resort view room, and you get a little bit of a peekaboo view of the ocean and that lovely pool area. This is just a still shot for you, and then a reverse of the room so you can see that a little bit better perspective. Hope you enjoyed this video, and in the meantime, before you leave, check out these two.